Hello guys, review Realme C51 version 4GB memory and 128GB storage. Open box and look completion. In completion we have device, green color and Type-C cable and adapter for charging with quick charge. Okay. Device have display 6.7 inch. On this side fingerprint scanner and power button. Warm buttons. Slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. We have Android 13 and version Realme UI T edition. For cheap devices, open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have IPS display, HD plus resolution 90 Hz, refresh rate, CPU Tiger T612, GPU Mali G57. Look results, single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay. Look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark. Close this. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level on this device. Okay. Camera we have double camera and LED. Double camera we have 50 plus 2 megapixels camera, main camera. Okay. Close this. Now I show you photos on this camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.